If you've been feeling bloated, heavy, tired, or just off, your gut might be sending you urgent signals you can't afford to ignore. Today, I'm going to reveal 10 clear signs your gut is begging for help, and what you can do starting today to restore balance, boost your energy, and feel lighter and more comfortable in your own body. These signs are subtle, but once you recognize them, everything makes sense. Your gut is more than a digestive machine. It's connected to your brain, your immune system, your metabolism, your hormones, pretty much everything. So when your gut is struggling, your entire body feels it. By the end of this video, you'll understand the real signs something is wrong, what's actually happening inside your gut, and what simple daily habits you can use to fix it naturally. Let's dive in. Sign 1. Frequent bloating. If your belly expands like a balloon after meals, even healthy ones, that's not normal. Bloating means your digestive system is struggling to break down food efficiently. This usually indicates slow metabolism, weak bile flow, imbalanced gut bacteria, food sitting too long in the gut. Your belly isn't big, your digestion is slow. Sign 2. Irregular bowel movements. Constipation, diarrhea, or alternating between both, your gut is screaming for help. Your intestines should move food smoothly and rhythmically. When this rhythm is off, it means your gut-liver axis is out of balance. A healthy gut equals regular, comfortable, predictable bathroom visits. Sign 3. Low energy after eating. If meals leave you drained instead of energized, your gut isn't absorbing nutrients properly. Instead of fueling your body, your digestion pulls your energy down. This often leads to afternoon crashes, brain fog, lack of motivation. Your body shouldn't feel exhausted after food. Sign 4. Brain fog and poor focus. Your gut produces about 90% of your serotonin, the clarity and mood chemical. When your gut is inflamed or imbalanced, your brain feels it. You may notice difficulty focusing, mental fog, forgetfulness, feeling off mentally. Your gut and brain are in constant communication. Sign 5. Skin issues. Breakouts, redness, dryness, or dull skin are often gut problems showing up on your face. When toxins aren't eliminated efficiently, they circulate, and your skin pays the price. A healthy gut equals glowing, radiant skin. Sign 6. Excess gas. Gas is normal, but excessive gas means food is fermenting because it's not digesting properly. This indicates bacterial imbalance, slow colon movement, lack of digestive enzymes or bile. Your gut is telling you something is off. Sign 7. Feeling heavy or sluggish. Even when you sleep well, do you wake up feeling slow or weighed down? Your gut influences your energy, since poor digestion means poor nutrient absorption. If you feel heavy even without eating much, right pointing arrow, gut stress. Sign 8. Strong sugar or junk food cravings. Here's the truth, it's not lack of willpower. Bad gut bacteria feed on sugar and send chemical signals to your brain asking for more. If your cravings feel out of control, your gut is calling for help. Sign 9. Food sensitivities suddenly appearing. If foods you used to tolerate now cause bloating or discomfort, your gut lining may be irritated. This makes your gut more reactive. The problem isn't the food, it's the gut environment. Sign 10. Belly discomfort or irritation. Tenderness, pressure, or that tight, inflamed feeling is a major sign your digestion needs support. Your gut lining may be stressed, inflamed, or lacking healthy bile flow. Section. Why these signs happen. The gut-liver axis. Most people don't know this, but your gut and liver work together like a two-way highway. Your gut breaks down food and produces metabolites. Your liver processes nutrients and creates bile to help digestion. If this gut-liver axis gets disrupted, digestion slows, bloating increases, toxins build up, energy crashes, metabolism tanks. Fixing digestion isn't just about the gut, it's about the gut and the liver. What you can do today. Here are simple habits to help your gut recover. Drink water before your first meal. Eat slower to reduce inflammation. Add more fiber-rich foods. Reduce ultra-processed meals. Support your gut-liver axis daily. Add prebiotics, probiotics, and liver-friendly herbs. These habits alone make an enormous difference. If you want an easy way to support your gut-liver axis every morning, I'll leave a link below to the formula I personally recommend. It's a natural blend of probiotics, dandelion, turmeric, milk thistle, and other ingredients that help promote smoother digestion, a flatter belly, better energy, and regularity, without harsh stimulants. Just 1 scoop a day, mixed with water. Simple, gentle, and perfect if your gut needs a reset. Remember, your gut is always talking to you. You just have to listen. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this information. Take care of your gut, and it will take care of everything else.